Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's news roundup for April the 13th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, Sanofi will target newly diagnosed patients with its long-acting basal insulin Toujeo and price it on a par with Lantus. Head of Sanofi's diabetes business, Pierre Chancel, said Toujeo is an improvement on something that is already great, adding there is no reason to give higher rebates. Also featured, India's government has mandated the barcoding of monocartons of drugs shipped out of the country from July. The move will allow the monocartons to be traced back to the source, helping in the fight against fake medicines. In other news, ahead of an FDA advisory committee meeting on April the 15th, agency staff backed approval of the medicine company's anticoagulant cangrelor. FDA reviewers noted that a trial previously questioned by the regulator was sufficient to warrant approval of cangrelor. In addition, the FDA modified a partial clinical hold, allowing repeat dosing of Tekmira's TKM-Ebola at a lower dose. The company indicated that its application to study the treatment remains on partial clinical hold for doses above 0.24 mg per kilogram per day. And finally, Indian drug makers are targeting complex generics, a market that is growing at twice the pace of commoditized generics in the US. Complex generics account for around 50% of the US generics market, although Indian companies get less than 15% of their revenue from such drugs. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.